home remedies to tackle that hangover. From munching on eggs and dunking down a herbal margarita to gulping down eggs and some bananas, we bring you some of the best tried and tested cures for a hangover. Try out these tried and tested home remedies culled from the recipe books of the highly experienced, instead. 1. Eggs, lots of them. Bacon and eggs may be the classic combination, but greasy bacon is more a pre-hangover food than a post-hangover one. Fatty foods line the stomach, and help absorb the alcohol, however, it's probably best to avoid them the day after a party. 2. Banana with milk. Yes, we know, it sounds heavy. But you'll be surprised at how hungry you'll find yourself when you lay your hands on some wholesome fruit that's energy-giving, electrolyte-replacing and light on the tummy. What's even better is a banana milkshake. Bananas are rich in potassium that alcohol's diuretic effect depletes your body of. 3. Herbal Margarita. Herbal Margarita. 6 tulsi leaves, 3 cloves, a pinch of pepper powder, soda and sour mix, 10 milliliters of sugar syrup, 10 milliliters of lime juice, add all the ingredients and mix well in a shaker with ice. Stir the mixture, without ice, into a martini glass and garnish with a slice of lime. The martini glass can be rimmed with salt. It'll taste a bit sour, but after the night you've had, you may just find yourself in a bit of heaven. 4. Carrot juice with some minor additions. Take a carrot, an apple, a slice of ginger and 5 ice cubes. Peel the carrot, cut it into pieces along with the apple. Put all the ingredients in blender and mix. Pour into a tall glass and add a dash of lime. Guzzle it down. 5. Oranges, lots of them. We meant it when we said vitamin C can help. The diuretic effects of alcohol deplete the body of nutrients and water, hence the parched feeling when you wake up. Consume vitamin-rich foods to replenish the body of these micronutrients, and, if you're up to it, follow cocktail company Tullahoe's training manager Rohan Jelke's advice. Do you have any questions, experiences or remedies yourself you want to share? Please submit them in the comments under this video. Why not visit our website fastnaturalremedies.com for lots of tips and advice about home remedies. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the latest home remedies? In that case, like, share and click the subscribe button for more fast natural remedies.